Hey there, what's up everyone? So in this video, I want to show you how you can unlock your iPhone XR, and this one is from T-Mobile. So it says T-Mobile up here, it has a T-Mobile SIM card in there. So I'm going to show you how to unlock it so that you can use it with any other carrier that you wish to use it with. You may need to travel overseas and use it with another carrier in another country. So for that, you will need to have your phone unlocked if it is locked to a current carrier. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that. Let's go ahead and remove the T-Mobile SIM card that is in here. So this is the T-Mobile SIM card. Let's place it down right here. Alright, so first let's go ahead and place a AT&T SIM card. Let's go ahead and place the AT&T SIM card in there. So this is what's automatically going to happen. It's going to take us to this activation screen where you have to make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi and go through the steps here. It's going to try and activate the phone with the new SIM card. And it's going to give us this message right here, SIM not supported, and that means that the phone is locked to the current carrier, so it's not going to work with the SIM card until we unlock it. Alright, so that's what I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do now. We're going to unlock it so that you can use it with the SIM card that you're trying to use it with. So let's go ahead and remove that SIM card. How we're going to be unlocking is we're going to be using this special white unlock chip. Okay, this SIM card unlocks it. There's going to be a link to it down below in the description where you can get it. So let's go ahead and place it on the SIM card tray. It's just a regular little SIM card like any other SIM. You're going to place it in the phone. And once again, it's going to take us here to this activation screen. Go through the setup step here. And once again, it's going to give us this message, but not to worry. Now that we have the unlock chip in here, what we're going to do is press and hold the lock button, and this little menu is going to appear. Go ahead and hit emergency call. Here we're going to dial star 5005 star 7672 star 00 pound. Okay, go ahead and hit the green dial button. It's going to give us straight to this message right here that says input ICCID. So here is where we're going to input the current ICCID, which is also down below in the description. And that ICCID is 8901 4104 2792 0259 7449. And then once you have it typed in there completely, go ahead and hit send. It's just going to say done, and then it's going to have the option to accept down here. Go ahead and hit that. And once it takes you back to this screen, go ahead and power the phone off. So let's hold the volume and power button till the power off menu appears, and then go ahead and power it off. Okay, so after a second or two that it's powered off, let's go ahead and power it back on. Alright, and so we're going to get back to this screen, the activation screen. Here, we're just going to go ahead and go through the steps here, continue. And now that we have the unlock chip in here, it's going to automatically activate it and unlock the phone so that you can use it with whatever carrier SIM card you put in there. So there you go, it activated the phone, it unlocked it. Now that once we're in this screen, we can go ahead and remove the unlock chip. So no need to leave it in there. Here's the white little unlock chip. So let's go ahead and put that down over here. Okay, and let's go ahead and get that AT&T SIM card once again. Let's place it in the SIM card tray and place it in the phone. As you can see, it no longer takes us to that activation screen because the phone is now unlocked. When the phone is locked, you put in the SIM card from the other carrier, it takes you to the activation screen. But now that it's unlocked, it doesn't. And if the SIM card is activated already with service, it will pick up signal and you'll be able to call, text, use data. Everything will work normally, you know, like if it was the carrier that the phone was locked to originally. So the phone will now be unlocked. You can take it overseas and use it with other carriers as well in other countries. All right, so that is it. That was a quick video showing you how you can unlock your T-Mobile iPhone XR. So hope that video helped you out. If it did, go ahead and give it a like. And that is it for now. I'll see you around in the next video. And as always, peace.